Fantasy sports apps have become a sensation, captivating millions with their thrilling features. With a compound annual growth rate of 9.5%, the online fantasy sports industry reached $22.31 billion in 2021 and is projected to grow to $38.60 billion by 2025. This surge has opened new opportunities for venture capitalists and entrepreneurs to invest in fantasy sports app development. The fantasy sports app market is booming, driven by a large devoted sports fan base. According to a Statista survey, 85% of gamers prefer using fantasy sports apps over websites or desktops. This widespread adoption has led to a global increase in fantasy app development, making it a lucrative venture for investors. The market's rapid growth is a testament to its popularity and potential for high returns. A fantasy sports app is an online prediction game where users create virtual teams with real players. These players earn fantasy points based on their real-life sports performance. Popular formats include season-long draft systems and daily fantasy leagues. The app covers multiple sports like football, basketball, hockey, soccer, and golf, drawing content from major leagues such as the Indian Premier League and the National Basketball Association. Fantasy sports apps like FanDuel use various monetization techniques. Participation fees are a common method, where a small percentage of the buy-in cost is deducted. Advertisement is another revenue stream, with businesses and brands eager to buy ad space on popular platforms. User engagement models, such as weekly or daily contests, also boost revenue. Additionally, sports betting apps offer great monetization strategies, making them a profitable venture. FanDuel and DraftKings are among the most popular fantasy sports apps. They allow users to create teams and win prizes by participating in online contests. These platforms are excellent tools for promotion and advertising, as users are highly engaged. The concept of gamification, where users are actively involved in online gaming, enhances brand awareness and user retention. Creating a fantasy sports app clone like DraftKings is a cost-effective and efficient option. The fantasy sports market is expected to grow by $9.34 trillion in 2023 to 2024, making it a great opportunity for entrepreneurs. Clone scripts offer pre-built components, fast deployment, and customized design, ensuring high return on investment. This approach allows developers to reach a global audience without language or border limitations. A fantasy clone script should have two main components: the admin panel and the user panel. Essential user features include registration, contest search, earnings tracking, and team creation. Users can also invite friends, manage profiles, and make payments through various methods. The admin panel allows for user management, contest management, payment tracking, and reward point management. An admin dashboard provides complete control over all account-related activities. To make your fantasy sports app stand out, consider adding advanced features. Multilingual support can help target international audiences. A mobile wallet offers secure and easy payments. In-app chat allows users to discuss predictions and contact support. Live match streaming enhances user experience, while a sports quiz feature can engage users further. These advanced features can significantly improve user retention and engagement. Developing a fantasy sports app is a promising venture with immense potential for high returns. By understanding the market, incorporating essential and advanced features, and leveraging various revenue generation methods, you can create a successful fantasy sports platform. As the industry continues to grow, now is the perfect time to invest in fantasy sports app development and capitalize on this booming market.